Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will briefly explain about my scanner. So it is an intraday scanner. So the scanner means we can't monitor all there are 4000 and 3000 stocks are listed in NSE and BSE. We can't monitor all the stocks, but we want to pick up the momentum stocks every day. So I will use for that scanner. The scanner will pick up the stocks and it will give you directly message, and directly it will give you email and pop-up messages to your mobile according to your parameter and conditions and filters. So what is the filters and parameters conditions? So if I will use for charting purpose, for scanner purpose, I will use my favorite software, that is charting. So this is the website of the charting. What will it do? First I will give you briefly explain about the charting platform. So if you input something, anything, so software means if you input something, it will give you output according to what you input. Okay, in the same way, in the chatting also, so what you input, so according to that, it will take the information and it will give you output. Let me explain briefly, simple manner. So if I give any input to the charting, so according to any indicator or any something what, the stock prices whichever above the 100. So if I give you this input, it will give you all Reliance, TCS, because Reliance is above 100, TCS is above 100, it will give you the stock list. The same way here also I inputted some parameters and conditions and filters. According to that, it will give you the alert every day. Okay, so these are the last 2 days results. Here you can see this is a back tested history. Okay, so I will download this file to you. So and I will see these are the stock list from last 2 days. It is giving the alert. Okay, so 920, 940, see Nasdaq, it is giving the alert. Okay, so it is a intraday bullish strategy. It's only bullish. Okay, we will see one by one. Total it is giving 15 or 14 sorry, 15 or 14 stocks. Every one last from last 2 days, every single stock we will see. Okay, how it is giving performance. So I will take this screenshot. Okay, so 2312 Mastag MAST mid cap stock IT company, it is giving the alert. Okay, we will see Mastag in the chart. So 5 minutes chart. See, it is giving the alert at 920. See the 920 at whatever 920. The price is 2872. Okay, 2872, and what it's going. See up to, so from 920, see this rally from 9, see this is the 920, the opening price is 2872 and went up to around more than 100 point. See, this is the power of, see, more than 100 points. For example, if you invest in a cash market, this is 1 lakh rupees, 2872. Okay, 34 points you got, and more than 100 points, so 3480 in the cash market. I'm telling you, if you traded in a future and option, that is a different ball game. You can earn more. So this is the one result. So this is a Mastag. So next, again it is 920, 940, 950. It is giving Mastag stock. Next 24, 12, 915, ECL REX. Okay, so this is also mid cap IT company. In 915 it is giving the alert. We can see that ECL RES 924 series 24. So 915. So immediately, so your 2% is over. So opening price is 2337 and it made high 2410. So you got around 70 points. So you got 70 points means if you have 1 lakh rupees into into 70 points, around 3000 you got in a single 1 2 3 candles in a 45 minutes. You got 3000 rupees in a cash market. I'm telling you, this is only cash market. If you trade it in a future, that is more. So like this way. And Godrej India, it is giving at 920. Godrej India, it is giving 24 920. Godrej India. Okay, let's see Godrej India. See this rally 920. So after that again it is giving 940. First time it is failed, but second it is given at 940. See, and went up. First time take it as a stop loss hit 920. Below candle is your stop loss, and second time it is giving 940. And see this rally. So this is the power of my scanner. See, Godrej India, it is giving first signal at 920. So previous candle low is your stop loss, that is hitted. And next 940 Godrej India, so that went to rally. So next 24 12 11 15 KCL KCL. Okay, we will see that one also. KCL. KCL. See this rally. Wow. See, from 11 o'clock it is giving 11 o'clock signal. See, from that onwards, see this rally. See, what a rally. Without hitting your stop loss, previous candle low, this is the rally. So next onwards, KCL is over. Next 120 24 12 120 KEC FMCG. KEC 120. See this rally. What a beautiful rally. See 120. This is the 120 candle. Previous candle is your stop loss. It's not hitted, and see this rally. See, even it is fall down, your stop loss is here, it's not hitted, and after that again rally, it made high again. So this is the power of my scanner. See, do one thing, take this screenshot and do backtest in charting in a chart with the time, in a 5 minutes chart, whatever you want. Okay, so take this screenshot and backtest in your chart for accuracy purpose. So if you want to learn this strategy, whatever this strategy, so I will teach you my. See, I have another scanners also. I have a swing scanners also. I have a Nifty and Bank Nifty scanners also, and equity intraday this scanners also. Total, I will give you 4 scanners in my course. So I will teach you what is the strategy behind this, and after that I will give you the scanners. Everything I will give you. So I will give you my number in the description. So if anybody interested to learn this strategy, you can ping me by WhatsApp, and I will give you my Telegram link channel also. So if anybody interested, you can join in that channel also. I hope this is clear. So see, I will tell you why my strategy accuracy level is very high. We are not compromising anything. When you are trading in a manual, you have to compromise. See, first of all, trader, see, we have some rules. Okay, so we are fixed to that rules. But when we are trading manually, we have to come. Sometimes the situation will not come according to my rules. So that time human emotions will interact with uh, the place human interaction will plays a role. So sometimes we will compromise and we will trade, we break our own rules. Okay, so that's why we are failing. But here, why my strategy accuracy level is very high means, here we are not compromising anything because already parameters are fixed, conditions and filters are fixed. According to that conditions and parameters, the software will pick up and give you the stocks, so you are not compromising. So that is the key factor. And there are 4,000 stocks are there every day. My parameters will meet the criteria, and it will give you the stock. Only that stocks, only momentum stocks only we are trading. So that's why the accuracy level is very high in this strategy. Okay, so I will give you my WhatsApp number in the description. If anybody interested to learn, you can ping me by WhatsApp, and anybody interested to learn, you can join my Telegram channel, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.